इतना ना चलना
धुआ गया
सोनाक्षी चलो 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 अच्छा बिल्ली जगह पर चल 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 आगे चल चल बाबा आगे चल बेटा
Just take it. No, media guys, please stay back.
बैठ जाओ नीचे बैठो अरे येलो लाइट नहीं बाहर बैठ येलो लाइट आ जाएगी इधर आ रहा है चेक करो दोबारा बैठ Still, बैठ जाओ
I must say the energy is already infectious, and this is what this is the kind of effect that Sonakshi has on all of us. So we welcome you to this wonderful evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sangeeta Singh, and I've been entrusted with this pleasant task of foster grand signature here to the Indian media community. And ladies and gentlemen, as we begin, we shall have a short presentation, of course, talking all about foster grand signature. And as you can see, our lovely ladies already joined us here. So it will all be followed by some great remarks coming in from our wonderful celebrity right behind foster grand. And let's begin this wonderful evening. And I would request Mr. Matthew Panucci to please kindly,
Hi guys, thank you all so much for being here today. I'm very, very excited about this association with Foster Grant, and I'm really glad that you could join us today. And let's throw it open for questions if you have any.
Yeah, hi Sonakshi.
Hi.
Well, you're looking absolutely great. We know that change is the law of nature. Now I think we are just getting habitual of watching you look ultra glamorous. So what do you think about the spectacles and the glasses as a symbol of fashion and style? And
I think they're great. I think they've always, since 1929, let me tell you one thing. Foster Grant was the first company that started non-prescription sunglasses. And so what you and I wear today has actually been started by Foster Grant. They were the first company to introduce that, bring that out to the world. So it gives me immense pleasure to have, joined them as their face for India. And yeah, I think it's a very, very big style statement today, sunglasses. Me, personally, I'm somebody who loves sunglasses. It's my favorite accessory. I can step out of my house without wearing necklaces and jewelry and stuff like that, but I'll never step out without my sunglasses. So I think it's a very important and integral part of style today. Yeah. I am actually, but I'm not wearing sunglasses now because I'm indoors.
Hi, Sonakshi.
Hi. I'm actually, thankfully, it's my favorite accessory, and I think I'm truly blessed to have a sunglass face. So I think it's the best gift for me. People just pick out whatever and give it to me, and it suits me. So, but seeing their range, the line of Foster Grant signature sunglasses and frames, they've got a lot of shapes that suit a lot of faces, and probably something that's there for everyone. So they've got nice cat eyes, they've got wayfarers, they've got a lot of different shapes. Would you like to tell them about the shapes?
We've got 32 different styles in different colors for women. So Sonakshi said there's a frame shape and a color for every face and every complexion.
Hi, Sonakshi.
In the night, I don't think I've ever worn sunglasses while getting out of the airport. But yeah, I guess in the morning, if you've come out from a really long flight and you're like tired and like drowsy, I think it's a good cover up as well. Plus, it's a style statement, so nobody really questions it at that point of time. Yeah, but in the night, I wouldn't.
Hi, Sonakshi. अच्छा, sunglasses beauty में कितना enhance करती है? First question. And आपने कब पहली बार sunglasses पहन के अपने को मिरर में देखा?
ब्यूटी एनहांस करती है या नहीं ये तो नहीं पता मुझे. ब्यूटी आई थिंक अंदर से आती है, एंड वही I don't think even makeup enhances your beauty. It's something that you already have within you. But sunglasses definitely add a style quotient to your look, I feel. And मैंने पहली बार sunglasses, मतलब मैं बच्ची होंगी, मम्मा ने कुछ sunglasses वो colorful वाले आते हैं ना, वो दे दिए होंगे मुझे. But याद नहीं है मुझे particularly कौन सा मेरा first था.
सोनाक्षी, कितनी जिम्मेदारी बढ़ जाती है अगर कोई भी सेलिब्रिटी किसी ब्रांड को इंडोर्स करता है, तो कितनी जिम्मेदारी बढ़ जाती है उसकी?
आई थिंक जिम्मेदारी दोनों की बढ़ जाती है. हम दोनों चाहते हैं कि एक अच्छा एसोसिएशन हो ब्रांड का भी और जो फेस है उसका भी. एक हाँ, डेफिनेटली हम चाहते हैं कि अगर हमारे फेस के होने से ब्रांड की सेल्स बढ़ जाए, लोगों को ये ब्रांड और नोटिस हो, पसंद आए, वो हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा. एंड आई थिंक इट्स डेफिनेटली अ बिग रिस्पांसिबिलिटी टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद अ ब्रांड.
सोनाक्षी, एक अभी त्योहार आने वाला है, होली का त्योहार आ रहा है, तो आप किस तरह से होली को मनाती हैं और कैसे सेलिब्रेट करती हैं? क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे आप?
होली के लिए टिप्स? आप कौन से देश में पैदा हुए हो भाई जो टिप्स चाहिए आपको होली खेलने के?
आप किस तरह से होली मनाती हैं, वो उस तरह.
एक्चुअली होली मेरा फेवरेट फेस्टिवल है, बट मैं पिछले 3 साल से ज्यादा मना नहीं पा रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं शूट पे होती हूँ. बट हाँ, जब भी आई ट्राई एंड प्ले विदाउट कलर्स. Pani, water Holi is also fun, but I think it's very, very important to be safe. And since Holi is coming, I'd like to wish you all in advance as well. Ji. Thank you.
Thank you. We're very lucky.
How? Well, let's hope I'm very, very lucky for them as well, and I'm sure that they'll be very lucky for me as well. देखो, आपने notice किया मैं glamorous लग रही हूँ, तो already luck शुरू हो गया. They've been very lucky for me. I actually felt great. I think I've always wanted to be representing a sunglass brand. It's because I said it's my favorite accessory, and people have written songs about my eyes. So yeah, I always wanted to be associated with a brand, and I'm really happy that Foster Grant came into the picture right now at the right time, at the right place, and I'm truly happy to be a part of their team.
We hate to cover up the beautiful eyes, but we do need to protect our eyes from the sun. It's also a beautiful fashion accessory, but also protection. I agree.
Yes, hi.
हाय, आपको कितना शॉपिंग का शौक है और जब आप बाहर जाती हैं तो कितने सनग्लासेस अभी तक आप खरीद चुकी हैं?
ये एक्चुअली अच्छा सवाल है. शॉपिंग का इतना ज़्यादा शौक नहीं है मुझे. मैं पहली लड़की होंगी जो जो ये कह रही है, but I think हाँ, every time I'm traveling at an airport or something, I would automatically जहाँ पर sunglasses दिखते हैं मैं वहाँ पहुँच जाती हूँ, and I actually have lost count of how many I have right now at home, so I'll count the next time.
We'll make sure we send you some more.
Yeah, अभी
She
तो
will
और add हो
she'll never
जाएंगे.
run out, I can promise you.
आपने कभी white वाला sunglasses पहने हैं जो white frame?
White frame, हाँ है मेरे पास. जी, thank you. Aishwarya Rai, without a doubt. Male? Most expressive. I don't. Yeah, Hrithik Roshan. Yes, yes. Hi. Salman is a brand ambassador. I think जिनको भी वो endorse करे उनकी तो किस्मत खुल गई. He's a wonderful person, and he's obviously got a huge fan following, and I think he's an asset to any company that he becomes a part of, and उनका जो connect है लोगों के साथ, that goes a really long way, and I think he'll be a fabulous brand ambassador for any company that he endorses.
Sonakshi,
hello Sumit.
just want to thank you for your grace and hospitality for your brother's marriage.
How sweet. Thank you, Sumit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sonakshi, we have been seeing you a lot of time. Do you think now you have grown up, you have like on your individuality or as a person, the way you express, the way you do away from the shadow of your family?
I think that happens over a period of time to anybody, actually. I'm not the only one, I feel. And I think so. And I think it's a good thing that, even through my first film, I was able to create an individuality for myself and, kind of come out from under the shadow of my father. And they're actually very, very proud of me for being able to hold my own and stand up for myself and be independent. Yeah.
One thing more. Do you think now you're totally independent as a person?
As a person, it depends actually. There are a lot of times when I do look to my family, my friends for support and help. But yeah, mostly yes.
Sonakshi, iske साथ ही like being a girl and a woman, I would like to ask you. What are your expectations? Would you want certain things for the upcoming economic, social conditions of this country? Like, what are your expectations from the upcoming budget, especially regarding to women, because you are here? So, if you can express.
I think Matt will be able to enlighten you in the social economic budget of the country.
Why, thank you for tossing me that
if
one.
you can, please.
No, I think let's just stick to Foster Grant for now, Sumit.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
We're looking forward to achieving the budget on Foster Grant, that's for sure.
And ladies and gentlemen, you surely are going great, but we'll just take two more questions just in case if you have one.
Hi. You've always been appreciated for the work that you do and the brands that you associate yourself with. But you were also appreciated recently for the comments that you made. And, Mr. Bhatt also applauded you for the kind of stand that you took for yourself at this age. What would you say about that?
I mean, I said all that I had to say, and I'm glad that people are appreciating it. And I'm honestly, whatever it is, I would like to sort it out in a very respectful, very calm, very civilized manner, and that's what I always try to do. So, yeah, I guess pat on my back.
As a celebrity, do you think this matter is blown out of proportion in any way?
I think it's finally dying out. We should not talk about it now.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll not be taking any kind of personal questions. We request you to please kindly keep your questions limited to Foster Grant signature. Thank you so much. And yes, we have a wonderful film that, is going to give us an insight on all about behind the scenes. So let's have a look at that.
Yes. Can we play the video, please?
sunglasses happen to be my favorite wear today was started by Foster Grant. They're the trendsetters in sunglasses. Part of their campaigns in the past, be it Brooke Shields, be it Cindy Crawford, Woody Allen, and now me. It's quite an honor to be a part of this.
So yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's the beautiful face, right behind Foster Grant's signature. And thank you all. Thank you, Sonakshi, for joining us. Thank you, all of us, for joining us here. And yes, we're definitely having all the photo opportunity. I'm sure your shutterbugs are already having enough of it.
Thanks, everyone, for being here.
And request all of you to please join us for the high tea. Thank you yet again.
सोनाक्षी बाइट छोटी सी वो रूम में
Yeah.
Why you choose Sonakshi Sinha for your brand?
Oh, she's absolutely beautiful. Her eyes are the most gorgeous eyes in Bollywood. She's also sophisticated and smart. Somebody that really is intelligent and also very beautiful.
What are the main things you are putting in your products? What are the clarifications what you are trying to give? Why you choose India for your product? First time your company is coming to India.
Sure. Well, we're available in more than 30 countries and over 120,000 retail locations. But we came to India specifically because it's a big market today, but it's going to be a very big market in the next 5 years. It's a very underpenetrated category, sunglasses are, and also optical frames. And so the market potential is huge for India.
What is your expectation with PM Modi? What do you think about
I have no comment. I hope only the best for India. It's a wonderful country.
You are targeting only metropolitan cities or small cities also?
We'll get everywhere eventually. Obviously, we'll focus our resources in the big cities, but eventually we hope to be in all the cities in India.
Thank you very much.
You bet. Thank you.